Ford Raptor 2020 model. This truck is anything but normal. As you can see, it has the 4-inch fabtech proper fitment suspension lift, allowing it to still run the Fox struts and the Fox shock system. Live valve Raptor shocks. This customer also upgraded to Deaver springs and also a custom set of traction bars with heim joints. This is the Deaver soft ride, so it does not have a block in the back. This is probably the 10th Raptor that we have set up or done or been involved with for this customer. It's sitting on what took 6 months to get, American Force custom cut black alloy wheels with machining and brand new 35-inch Toyos, less than 100 miles. This truck has a bunch of color matching that's been done. Has the typical two-tone leather, the full floor mats, the carbon fiber trim, push to start, display screen. So a couple of the features that aren't normal on this one. Of course, the lift kit tires and wheels. It does have the panoramic sunroof. As you can hear, it has train horns. It has the big differential cover. It has a built-in air compressor. Under the hood, it has a cold air intake. It has triple rigid lights. It has strobing LED lights in the grille. It has underbody rock lights in the fender wells. Color match, gloss flares, grille emblems, of course the LED lights, headlights. 5,000 miles, 0 issues, 0 negatives. Everything is properly wired and toggled to the auxiliary switches. No wear and tear, no marks, not even any rock chips currently, as you can see. Truxedo bed cover, spray in bed liner, bed extenders, smoked LED tail lights, of course the dual exhaust, has the liner coated side steps for no slip. I don't think you'll find a more well-equipped, well-laid-out Raptor. And the reason he loves this body style versus the new one, or this era, is you cannot currently lift the brand new ones with anything more than a leveling kit. And even then, there are some complications. So the 2020s are able to be lifted with a proper suspension lift, proper rear springs instead of coilovers, keeping all of the factory extremely expensive Fox stuff intact. So this guy's no stranger to a Raptor, neither are we, and this one is well done. We also have an alternative tire and wheel for this truck. 22-inch high styles with 35s if somebody's looking for a different tire and wheel or wants to go 22 versus 20. His look is he likes the sidewall. The new look is, of course, less sidewall. Those tires are also available, bringing this truck to $87,995, so a $2,000 discount if you would like to leave with the other tires and wheels. $89,995. If not, this truck has $20,000 in upgrades, and you'll be hard-pressed to even find a 5,000-mile one, much less find one this clean with these modifications. Not just because we have it, just because of what it is. It's a nice piece. Check out the website for pictures of the alternative tires and wheels and any other details that you may need. Check our website at any time. Any other trucks, classics, sports cars, anything else that you're looking for, including tow vehicles, we've got you covered. Thanks for watching.